Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80244022, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot and click on other troubleshooters, and corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter, click on run. The next solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or restart or sign out, or then click on restart. The third solution is to sync date and time. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time. Make sure that set time automatically and set time zone automatically are turned on. Then click on sync now. And lastly, you can install updates manually. Now, how do we do this? So go to this website, Microsoft Update Catalog. Okay, the website is basically catalog.update.microsoft.com. Now in the MMYYYY format, search for the latest month and year, 05/2024, because it's May 2024. If you are at the first week of that month and you don't find a cumulative update, search for the previous month. Now, corresponding to the latest update, click on download and click on the MSU file here, and then finally click on open. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.